regarding Senator Padilla po, Jairo, how would he respond to the investigation if ever? Will he be allowed to submit a counter affidavit or?
Okay. This is the initial part, no? This is basically pag tinatawag po natin, konti lang pong kaalaman. May case build-up na nangyayari. Pag buo na to, di ba? Either initiated from the case build-up ng DOJ or initiated by our law enforcement agencies. Halimbawa, may dumating na complaint. Ready na halimbawa ang PNP or ang NBI na magsampa ng ganoong kaso. Dumarating yun dito sa DOJ, tinitimbang muna namin yung case build-up na tinatawag o kaya pwedeng simula mo na kagad yung PI process, yung preliminary investigation on the matter. At pag pumasok na ho yung proseso ng preliminary investigation, may mga karapatan na, di ba? Ito yung padadalhan na sila ng abiso, bibigyan na sila ng pagkakataong mag-counter affidavit. Pero ina-explain ko lang on a hypothetical note, no? Kasi that's something to happen pa, no? If ever that reaches to that point, no?
Still on Senator De La Rosa po, last week nabanggit po yung application for Interpol Red Notice because based on the rules, there's already a warrant from the ICC. Therefore, we can already request, or the ICC can already request for the issuance of a red notice. So ano pong update doon? Meron po ba tayong application? Ongoing po ba yun? Or ano pong details that you can provide to us?
Actually, that goes in the operational matter for the ICC to pursue. Diba? So I don't want to second guess kung ano yung ginagawa ng ICC. But for the Philippine jurisdiction, the ICC arrest warrant is valid, it's enforceable, and the Philippine authorities is currently pursuing its enforcement.
Sir, good morning, sir. Sir, si Senator Marcoleta has been the subject of a application for a PhDO by the Ombudsman. Pero in reply, he's claiming that it's just a larger plan daw to silence or otherwise intimidate the majority in the Senate. Can you comment on that, sir, yung organized part daw to persecute? By basically saying it's persecution, all these cases.
On that, I cannot speculate on the particular case filed. I haven't read any document pertaining to that particular case. On second point, I completely trust the Ombudsman Boying Rimulya, our former Secretary of Justice, in his objective of cleaning the government basically and helping our society rebuild itself from all this what's happening now and make the Philippines a better society for everyone.
Sir,
I completely trust the Ombudsman Boying Rimulya.
Sir, one follow-up. On former Representative Defensor was here yesterday, and he said the same thing, that charges are being filed against him as part of efforts to persecute those critics of the administration. Can you comment lang, sir, on that?
Again, I don't like to comment further, no? Kasi these matters might later go up to me, to my level, no? But again, I would like to reiterate, the mandate of the Department of Justice is to jail or to put to jail people who should be made accountable and to exonerate those people or not. And the only basis and the only premise is fact. Diba? Kung ano yung katotohanan, mga kababayan ko. Yun lang po ang mandato. At doon po umiikot ang mandato ng Department of Justice.
Granted then, Steve.
Okay. Hi, sir. Magandang umaga po. Grant po from Bombo Radio. Sir, as of now, do we consider na magbigay o maglaan ng reward money sa makapagtuturo sa lokasyon ni Senator Bato de la Rosa?
Wala pong ganong konsiderasyon na tinitingnan. Kasi naniniwala po kami, meron pong mga pumapasok na iba't ibang impormasyon sa ating law enforcement agent na tumutulong po para pumano. Ang sa akin po ay panawagan na rin po kay Senator Bato. Diba? Siya po'y incumbent senator. Siya po'y dating chief PNP. Diba? Siya po tuwing Monday po, pag may flag ceremony, alam niyo po yan sa iba't ibang government agencies, nanunumpa po kami. Diba? Siya po'y dumulog sa Korte Suprema. Dinidinig yung kanyang inihaing reklamo. Magtulong-tulong po tayo na buhayin yung proseso ng rule of law. Diba? Sa ginagawa niya po na hindi pagsuko o hindi pagtupad dun sa warrant. Diba? Siyempre po yung mga kababayan natin, diba? Ano ba yan? Ano bang nangyayari? Diba? So sa akin po ay pakiusap bilang kapwa Pilipino kay Senator Bato de la Rosa, diba? Heed the call of the rule of law. Alam niya na pag may arrest warrant, dapat sineserve at dapat sumusunod.
Okay, sir. Next, sir, on Saturday, NBI Director Matibag has said that they have information na possible na ma-issuehan din ng ICC arrest warrant ang ilan pang individuals. Sir, do we see also sa DOJ na mag-i-issue din ang ICC ng panibagong arrest warrant sa iba pang mga co-perpetrators ni former President Duterte?
I don't like to speculate on that. That's an ICC matter.
But are we ready, sir, to task again NBI at PNP to implement the warrant? If in
Yes.
case?
Opo. Lagi pong handa ang Department of Justice para tuparin ang kanyang mandato at tungkulin para sa bayan.
Hi, Sarge. Good morning po.
Good
Steve
morning.
po from DZMMs. Sarge, it's been weeks now since hindi natin mahagilap si Senator Bato. Ano ba yung nagpapahirap sa atin para hindi siya maaresto sa ngayon? May leads po ba tayo kung nasaan siya? Nasa Pilipinas pa po ba si Senator Bato?
Yung leads, those are operational matters. All indications that are available to your Secretary of Justice is that Senator Bato is still within the jurisdiction of the Philippines.
And ano po yung nagpapahirap? Same po ba sa sinabi ng NBI na armed and dangerous si Senator Bato?
Ang narinig ko lang, di ba, merong ilang mga gamit o barel na nakarehistro sa kanya, no? So we're collating that information. I don't want to speculate, pero marami raw eh. So I've also asked the panel, kasi may registration naman yan sa FEO eh, di ba? Kung ilang barel ang naka-issue sa kanya.
Sir, last one lang.
Or nakarehistro sa kanya. Hindi naman pala naka-issue. Ilang barel yung nakarehistro sa kanya.
Last one for me, sir. Ano po yung reaction natin dun sa statement ng asawa ni Senator Bato na sana wag daw madala sa dahig si Senator Bato po?
Again, that's a plea. I respect her for her plea. Of course, a loving wife will always plea for that for her husband. But again, the Philippine government has its mandate, no? Has its mandate. The ICC established and it has jurisdiction over crimes against humanity.
In the interest of time, we'll be calling two more people. Okay? I saw them raise their hands first, no, Camille. Ma'am, and then kayo po.